What's going on, guys? Diecast Cutters. We'll take another video back on the hunt. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's not too bad. Grab this guy there. Poison Pinto. Not a problem. Oh, legendary Bigfoot. You know we gotta do him. Alright. Let's keep going, guys. Same peg warmer from last time. Oh, there's some new auto worlds here. Let's see here. Alright, so Kingswood State, no problem. Oh, yes. Silverado SS. And we got version B here, cherry red, most definitely. Left is Rebel. Alright, now I'm good with those. See a Jazz Porsche at the top. Wrong spot, but I'd definitely take it. Definitely. Some of my favorite Autobots. Alright, see here. Remember, put your things back on the pegs, guys. Let's see. Nothing yet. Alright. There it goes. All moving parts. Alright, let's see. A little race reverse action. Definitely doing a Harlequin. Keep that. Alright. Oh. Check that out, Ultra Hot. That's a nice Firebird. Definitely doing that. Alright, a little Repu action. Definitely doing that. Alright. Nope. Nothing here. Two transports is out. Oh, look what we got here. Fresh pegs. Oh, let's see. Alright. Fast and Furious Skyline. Alright, definitely doing that. I should say full pegs, fresh pegs. They're all kind of mixed in here. It's Maverick Custom Sweet Color. I'll do it. 88 Wagoneer. Definitely do it. We're doing it. On the Wagoneer. Okay, 55 Chevy. Check that out, guys. Definitely doing that. That's Plaid. Doing that. We'll do it. We'll take it. Bronco. See here. Repeat. Purple Passion. Definitely take it. $1,500 Rebel. Another recolor. Nope, nope, nope. Nothing yet. Dream Garage recolor again. I'll take it. What it's about. Nice deco on the Repu here. And, oh, okay, all right. El Camino recolor. Yep, we'll take it. Can't go wrong with a Mario Kart. Woo! Yeah, Civic definitely doing that. Yes, sir. Huracan Cerrado, definitely doing that. Alright, it's another one, so that means I'll pick it up. X34 Land Speeder, Star Wars, definitely do that. Alright. Check anything else, take a step back. His Unimog's pretty nice. I'll do that. Alright guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. It's Diecast Connoisseur, and I'll catch you in the next one.